Hey there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you are updated to my latest design vlogs, my tutorials, and my travels. So ngayon, guys, I will teach you how to make an identifier na gawa lang sa red camote tops. So later on, we will have an experimentation regarding acids and bases. Since wala tayong litmus paper, we are going to make our biological identifier. And this identifier can be red cabbage, can be the peel of your eggplants, and your red camote tops. Dahil mas madaling hanapin yung talbos ng kamote, yung kulay pula, para to identify which substance is a base and which substance is an acid. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa nito until such time our experimental or experimentation stage. So see ya guys, mamimili lang tayo sa labas ng palengke.
Umaambon pala. Dito tayo sa palengke ng Blumentritt. Hindi ko alam na umaambon. Akala ko tumigil na yung ulan. So dito marami yung bibili sa palengke ng Blumentritt. Eh lang, hanap tayo. So sa banda dito nakakita tayo. Ayun guys, may nakita na ako sa kabila. So magkano sa talbos ng kamote? Yung pula?
Luya. Wala tulugan. Ilan po sa'yo?
Magkano isang dali ate? 10 piso lang siya. Ito ang red kamote tops. Isa nga po na eh. Ganun yung kulay pula. So yung kulay pula na yan, siya yung nagiging identifier ng acids and bases. Pero syempre, pakukulaan muna natin siya. Ay.
Pabalik na tayo guys, maulan. Hello there guys, so welcome back, and this is our materials needed for us to be able to get the extract of the red camote tops. So we have the red camote tops, and then we have water. As much as possible, make the water clean as ever or as possible, and then our tumbler, and then at the back you will see the cups with different labels that we are going to use for our experiment. So let's do this.
Sorry, it's DJ.
You can get some.